continuation of the first video. Welcome back to my channel. And what I was explaining about the functional programming language in comparison with the object oriented programming language. So nowadays when we talk about AI, chat GPT, big data, Hadoop, Spark, Scala, the functional programming languages plays a vital role, major role, while we talk about regression testing, selenium testing, or when we go for chat GPT code, or when we go for Google Gemini, when we go for Apple Siri. So whenever these type of introductory, or you can say voice speech recognition application, okay. So earlier what we had to do, when we have to call any person, we have to go in the contact list and we have to find to whom we are calling, right? But now what AI is doing is, whenever you just call, whenever you try to call Google AI, or whenever you click on the OK Siri, then what it does is, you can tell the name like call Akash, or call Priya, or call XYZ. So the mobile, or the OS which is installed in our system, that is Android OS, what it does is, it will recognize your voice, it will recognize automatically your voice, store that voice in the databases, and then it get the contacts from the list, and directly it will call. So in traditional ways, we have to open the mobile, we have to go to the contact list, then we have to type A, we have to type S, or that was the easy way to get the contacts, right? Or else if you have called frequently, you can get in the frequent call list. But if you are busy in some work, let's say if you are in meeting, or let's say if you are driving a car, or let's say if you are riding a bike, but as per a software engineer, I will not recommend you to call any person while you are riding a bike, or while you are riding a car. While you are traveling, you should not call any person. But what I am trying to convey you is, whenever you are calling any person, let's say you want to call Suresh, when let's say you want to call Pooja, so you have to use your hand with your mobile. You have to go to the contact list, and then search P, and then Pooja, and then call, right? But nowadays, what AI chat GPT has enabled you, when you just tell open AI, okay, or else okay Gemini, call Pooja, directly it will call you to the respected people. So what I'm trying to say is, guys, listen carefully. Let's say somebody, they don't have a hand, and they don't have but they want to utilize the mobile features, and they want to play the game. So for that people, for disabled people, for physically handicapped people also, that's very handy to use. So anybody can use, because it's a voice recognition. So whenever you say open contacts lists, or else let's say another example, uh, nowadays, if you need to check the weather forecast of your locality, so what you do is, you try to search in Google, like what is the weather forecast for the coming 24 hours in my area, okay. So instead of typing, you can ask to AI or chat GPT and tell, please tell me the weather forecast. Okay. So this is the easiest way. You can ask the latest song which is, which you are going to sing, which you are going to listen. So the basic need is, instead of thinking what I am trying to listen, or what I'm, let's say if you are a good cook, okay, and you have everything in your hand, but you don't know what you are going to cook. You want to try something new item, okay. So what you can do is, you can try with AI. What actually we do is, we are cooking traditional food on daily basis, right? So if any person wants to create a new type of dishes, or you let's say if you want to build a new type of cuisine, okay. And instead of going to restaurant, you can ask to AI and tell that I have these types of materials. I have rice, I have wheat, I have sugar, I have flour, I have some sweets, I have chocolates, I have pancake, and for these items I need a supplement for my body so that I can feel fit. So what AI will do, AI will merge all these type of stuffs and it will create you a new item. Okay, it will send you the new dishes, and then you can either prepare it or you can mix it and you can serve it for yourself. So that's how AI is making your life easier, and for that you need to have a strong functional programming skills. Okay, in daily basis, if you want to utilize, let's say today is Monday. So, and if you are going to office on from the way where you get the traffic huge, but if you choose the point for different location, there will be traffic less. So, how AI will rectify? Because of Monday, the rush hour will be 9 to 10 in that, let's say, in some XYZ location. So AI will send you the notification. Please do not go by this road because there will be a lot of rush. Instead of going to that road, you can take this path or you can take the shortest path to reach the office. So that's the best example of AI as a navigator. Okay, and if you are coming back from office to home and it's if you are getting late, you can ask to AI what is the shortest path to reach to the home. So AI will tell you to take this direction and go to your home. So that's how now everything is becoming easier when we talk about artificial intelligence. So come to the point, like when we talk about string comparison and string, reverse. So we can use, let's say, example, as I said, val will be immutable, and just 1 second. Yeah, val will be immutable. So immutable means changes will not happen. Changes will not happen. Okay, that is you can say like unchanged data. So when it is important, val a equal to 10. Listen carefully. So val a equal to 10. Okay. And if you are assigning the value val a equal to 20, what will happen? First value will be assigned, second value will not be assigned. Am I right? Why? Because if we declare variable as a val, then the first and foremost value will be assigned to the scope of its function rather than changing its value. Easy? Any doubt? But if you are using where, what you can do is uh, you can change its value and you can utilize throughout the class. So now come to the picture, like we are going to reverse. Well, or where also, where is string. Okay, and whenever you are going to reverse the string, so what you can do is strrev. This is the function which can be utilized for the string reverse. Easy. So if the car is input, what will be the output? RAC. If bus is input, what will be the output? SUB. So the letter will be interchanged. String reverse. Okay, string comparison is so finding the length of the string, strlen. This is the function where we can get the find the length of the string. Find the length of the string. So let's say Satya Yeah, SATYA.